Amazon is increasing their FBA fees in 2020 significantly. Hi, my name is Christoph. I'm the co-founder at HelloTax. And yeah, Amazon is going to increase their fees in 2020. From 1st of April 2020, Amazon has just recently announced that they are going to increase FBA fees in all European marketplaces. From Germany up to Spain, every marketplace will see some increases. However, they are different from country to country and also different from product to product. And we will get into that a little later in this video. Why is Amazon doing it? In their official statement, they say they have invested about 4 billion over the last year in the infrastructure of warehouses, employees, and everything around. And the main cost is coming from the one-day shipment that they have now extended to about 6 million different FBA and Prime Ready items. So the main cost driver is the one-day shipment. And they also stated that not all the costs are given to the sellers. However, overall, the fees are increasing on average by about 9.4%. So that's almost 10%. Even worse, we have looked at the fees for Germany and France, which are kind of the most important marketplaces besides the UK. And here the increase is even up to 15% per item per shipment. Okay. So how are the fees going to change? As said, they are increasing by about 15%, up to 15%. It depends on the item. I just got two examples here. So for example, half a kilo standard sized item is going to increase from €2.65 to €2.81. It's more or less 20 cents. Doesn't sound like a huge deal, but if you're selling thousands of units, it actually makes a difference. And obviously, the more weight, the more price, the higher fees you have already, the higher these percentages are hitting. So, for example, for a 5 kilo shipment, the FBA fees are increasing from €4.37 from before 1st of April 2020 to €5.02. That's almost 70 cents per item that is sent. And that's quite a big increase overall, okay? So the bigger the packages are, the higher the fees are actually increasing. So it looks like that Amazon has really made these parts even more expensive because lighter items are already sent via Amazon carriers themselves. So Amazon is doing the fulfillment completely themselves, whereas for bigger items, they have to still use DHL, UPS, FedEx, and so on to actually get this last mile delivery properly done. What do you do now? So as you see, the options are quite limited because Amazon is increasing their fees across all the different marketplaces and for all different items. However, the first thing you should check is really how are they affecting your product. And you see in the link below, we have the blog post where you see all the details, all the calculation, measurements and results just to see how affected you are. You know, it might be that your products are just affected by 10 cents and you just have to accept it, or it might be that your product actually has significant increases that you should adapt your prices to as well, your sales prices. However, there is a second option. Some of you have already noted that Amazon Pan EU as the biggest option of Amazon fulfillment, so allowing Amazon to store in all the different marketplaces, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, the UK, as well as those special warehouses in Poland and Czech Republic. In Amazon Pan EU's cases, they have not raised the fees as much as they did if you're just storing in a single warehouse. So that again, it shows that Amazon is really pushing to bring sellers to store in those pan-European warehouses to reduce the costs of Amazon. And here I got another example just so that you see how much this can make a difference when going for pan-EU. So we got here 1,000, so a 1 kilo package that is sent from Germany to a foreign country like, Spain, or to, Portugal, Austria, whatsoever. So from Germany, outside of Germany. And using the EFN is costing you, so Amazon sent using a single warehouse at Amazon, it costs you at the moment, after these, after 1st of April, it will cost you €7.23 for this 1 kilo shipment. And just to compare this, if you're using Amazon Pan EU, the same shipment will cost you €3.22. So that's a difference of about €4 for that single item that is sent, depending on if you're using EFN, so European Fulfillment Network, just a single warehouse, to Amazon Pan EU, so allowing Amazon to just pick whatever the nearest warehouse and just send it from there. So that's a €4 difference. And if you think about how many units you're selling a month, what does these €4? I mean, again, it's just an example. You can see in the blog post below all the fees, but still, it's a huge, huge difference that may come because of these price increases and just because of storing in a single country versus storing in multiple countries. And as you guys know, the big issue is that with going for Amazon Pan EU, you also have new requirements towards VAT. So you all need to know that when you store in multiple countries, you also have to register for VAT in all those different countries. So when using Pan EU, it means you have to register in 7 different countries. But then again, just do the math, right? So registering and filing for VAT, it costs you about €100. If you use HelloTex, for example, it costs you about €100. So that's €700. So on the other hand, you're saving, in this example, it is €4 you save per item. So that's more or less 200 units you have to sell a month to actually make it worth it and to not just give away money to Amazon. If you sell 300 units a month, you're already spending and giving away about €400 a month, pure profit in the end, just for, because of not using Pan EU. And this is just the part of the cost side. As we all know, by using Amazon Pan EU, you're also faster in delivery times, and therefore you have a competitive advantage against other listings that are just storing somewhere abroad. So that's just it in a nutshell. So as you see, fees are increasing. Be aware of it. 1st of April is the official deadline. It happens EU-wide. Also, Amazon, within that announcement, they announced that the long-term storage fees are changing. So they have raised the minimum fees, and also they have removed the some other fees, and they have also changed the some commissions for specific kind of products. Again, I will just link the official statement below. You can find it in your Seller Central, but I think the most important part is related to the increase of fees by Amazon, that, as said again, is around 9.4%, so almost 10% on average. Let me know what you think about it, and if you're considering going for Amazon Pan EU, or you rather just stay and accept the fees as they are. Thanks for watching.